Okay guys, welcome back into my channel. Today we are going to be looking at HTML structure. But before that, I want to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you for always being there. I really appreciate, and I promise to always keep you updated on things like this. And for those of us that are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button, like and share this video with your friends, and of course turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out of any video. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have today. We have HTML to be hypertext markup language, and one may wonder what it's all about. HTML can be likened to, or rather the website building or website design, as it may be called, is can be likened to building of a house, where we have first the laying of the blocks, and then secondly we have the beautification of the blocks, and lastly we have the furnishing of the house. So the HTML is the block aspect of the website, the structure of the website. Everything that you see on the website is being built by HTML. Then after that we have the CSS coming to beautify whatever we have built on the HTML, right? What JavaScript does is to furnish the website so that it can be interactive with our users. Okay, having said that, let's see how the HTML document looks like. First, the first thing I want us to notice on the HTML structure is this: the doc type. This must be specified. For you to have a valid HTML document, you must tell the browser that this document is a HTML document, after which we have the HTML tag. Now this HTML tag is going to contain everything that we are going to write in our website. Okay, this is the HTML tag, and immediately after the declaration of the doc type, the next thing we have is the HTML tag. Everything we are going to write is going to be contained in this tag. Alright, so having said that, the next thing we have immediately after the HTML tag is the head section. Right, so this head section contains some information, meta information, the viewport settings, the titles and links, and so many things are contained in this head section, which the browser uses to display whatever we have on our website. Whatever we have on this head section is not shown or does not appear on the website. It's just for the browser to be able to display the content of the website correctly. Right, so after the head section we have the body section. Right, yeah, we have the body section. So first we have the HTML, second we have the head, right, and the last is the body section. Now everything we want to show on our website, everything we want to type on our website, we put it in this body section. So this is a typical structure of HTML documents. The head section and the body section, we are going to talk about them in a different video, because there are a whole lot to talk about in the head section, and of course the main work we have in HTML is the body section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For you to keep receiving videos like this as soon as they are dropping, you have to turn on the notification button, Like and share these videos to your friends. Help them learn a digital skill today. Thank you for always sticking around. Don't forget to always like and share our videos. I love you so much. Thanks for having me today. And don't forget never to be a lazy programmer.